Hi there! In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily request as a team member to add new team members to a team in Microsoft Teams. As you know, this is a feature that is only allowed to Microsoft Teams owners, so I can show you this new feature. So here I am in Microsoft Teams, where I have as an owner access to this team. As you can see here, this is a regular Microsoft Teams team. I can click on the three dots and then access to the Manage Team options I have. So I can access to the team member section, to the pending requests. That actually is an important section here, to the channels, section, settings, apps, and so on. So let's switch to another browser session where I have a different user that is actually a member of this team. In this particular case, this is the view of Dave. As you can see here, Dave is a member of the team, is not an owner, but Dave have also the possibility to add a member to the team. Actually, he's not going to be able to add a member to a team. He's going to be able to request to add new members to the team. And this request is going to go to the activity feed to the team's owners. So, for instance, let's imagine we want to add this new user to this team, Raquel. So we can search for Raquel, we can click on Raquel and then send request. We are going to do that, and we are done. For Dave, there is no clue that he has asked to add new members to the team, but for Juan Carlos, that is actually the owner of the team, he's going to see this request in his activity feed in Microsoft Teams. So let's go back to Juan Carlos session, and as you can see here, we have an alert in the activity feed. So here we are. We have this request coming from Dave that is requesting to the owners of the team. Actually, we have only one owner in the team to add a new member to this team, that is Raquel. As you can see here, as an owner, I have the possibility to accept or deny this request. If I deny this request, I temporarily see that I have denied this request to Dave, so Raquel is not going to be a member of this team. The other way around is also going to work. So if I go back to Dave's session and I request again to add Raquel to the team, here you go. I send a request. Again, if I go back to Dave's session, I have this notification, and at this time I'm going to approve this request. So yeah, let's click on members, let's click on pending requests. So as you can see, we have some caching issues here, but in this time I'm going to accept. So I accept the request, and as expected, the new member is part of the members and guests list of people in this team. And we are done. Again, Dave, the only thing he's going to see is that when he accesses to the member section, he's going to see that Raquel is there. And that's all. I hope you have found this video interesting, and yeah, talk to you soon. Bye bye.